Hi everyone, it's Rachel and this video is a watch me craft of this Pastel Coffin shaker which I made using the supplies from the October Elves box. These monthly subscription boxes are put together by Sophie and Toffee and include a range of exclusive craft supplies. If you would like to learn more, you can check out the info down in the description box. So in the October box we received a silicone coffin trinket box and shaker mould, 2-part resin which has a 2:1 ratio, shaker oil, miniature skull and pumpkin moulds, Halloween bezels, glow-in-the-dark moon confetti, pink liquid pigment, cute Halloween stickers, and finally some clear film for the shaker lid, which I'm going to show you how to make now, so I hope you enjoy.